formulations for mouth and oral health. These are going to be natural, simple, and we're going to start preparing an oil for oil pulling. And what is oil pulling? Oil pulling is this Ayurveda medicine recommendation for oral health, and it's put some edible oils on your mouth, switch them around for 30 seconds or a minute, and then spat out. It's kind of like a mouthwash. So I like this combination of oils that I'm going to show you today, because sometimes the coconut oil has this hard consistency that I don't like. So I'm going to show you a very useful formula that I like. The next formula that I'm going to show you is how to make a very simple toothpaste. And we're going to move on to another toothpaste, and it's going to be also very easy and very good for your teeth health. Okay, so let's move on and let's get started. We're going to start measuring 50 grams of coconut oil into a container, and then we're going to add 50 grams of sesame seed oil. That combination of oils is going to help the oils to be in a liquid form, not in a solid form. So that's going to be more practical for our swish, for our oil pulling. So we put it into a water bath and until it melts, and then we're ready to put it into a container. We need to let it cool down before we put the cap on. That's very important, otherwise some water can be in the oil and it's not going to keep it very well. Okay, now we're ready to use our oil for oil pulling. Now we're going to start making our first toothpaste. That's going to have just 3 ingredients. Baking soda. We put 30 grams of baking soda and 30 grams of green clay. We just mix the 2 powders and add some essential oil. Like mint, I like to use mint essential oil. 3 drops will be enough. And now we're ready to use our tooth powder. We can use it every day for our teeth health. Next up is another formula to make another toothpaste, and for this we need green clay, we need baking soda, we need SCS, which is sodium cocoa sulfate. I like the noodle type. We're going to need coconut oil also. And also some essential oil, and I like to use mint essential oil. Okay, we're going to need a container to put our formula in there. And now we're going to start measuring our ingredients. So first we're going to weigh 20 grams of coconut oil. We're going to put also 15 grams of SCS. We're going to need 15 grams of green clay and 20 grams of baking soda. So we're going to melt our ingredients in a water bath, just making sure that everything is well mixed. And then at this point, if you want, you can add an essential oil. In my case, I like the mint. And then I pour it into a container. I have to let it cool down before I put the cap on. This formula can last us for about 6 months, and we just use it with the regular toothbrush. You have to try it out. It's absolutely wonderful. It's going to leave your teeth very clean and very fresh. Okay, let me know if you like it, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in our next video. Bye.